late morning, medyo puyat. Laylay ang eyebag sa kakaiyak. Puro drama kagabi. Wishing and hoping na magkaayos lahat. Magkaayos kami. Magkaayos sila. Magkaayos tayo lahat. So, this song, na acapella, I would like to dedicate this sa mga may away, sa may tampuhan. Right from the start, you were a thief, stole my heart. Your wit, a victim. I let you see the parts of me that weren't all that pretty. But with every touch, you fixed them. You've been talking in your sleep. Whoa, things you never say to me. Whoa, tell me that you've had enough of our love. Our love. Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bent, and we can learn to live again. It's in the start, it's been written in the scars in our hearts. We're not broken, just bent, and we can learn to love again. Please make way na magkaayos na yung lahat. I love you guys. Bye-bye.